Creating your first work order. Let's see just how easy it is to create that first work order at Cloudwork Pro. Let's say you have a restaurant and you want to install 4 security cameras. So we need to create a work order in order to find a technician to install those 4 security cameras. All you're going to do is select the new work order button here in the upper right hand corner. And this is going to take you to our process of building that first work order. We're going to step you through the process, the first screen being the initial details. So let's add some information here. We're going to indicate the project that this work order needs to be under. We're going to create the site for this particular work order. After creating the site, we're going to indicate who the project manager on this work order is from your team. And you can also add additional work order contacts if you like. Again, these would be users from your company. We'll go to the next step. This is where you're going to enter things like the work order title, the actual scope of work. So in our example, we need to install 4 security cameras. Now at Cloudwork Pro, we do have some AI built into the platform, which will help you create that scope of work. Very simple. You select the AI button here. And as you can see, it's going to create that scope of work for you. It's also going to indicate what special tools a technician might need, what service type this job would be, and what work type this job would be. So we're going to say, looks good, add fields to work order. We'll scroll down to the bottom and go to the next screen. This is where you would add documents to the work order. So if you had any installation guides or service manuals, you would be able to add them here at this screen. You would simply just drag and drop them from your computer. Tasks is where you're creating a checklist for the technician. You're creating certain tasks in order that you want the technician to complete them in. We also have AI built into the platform for tasks, and what it's going to do is it's going to go in and generate tasks based off of the scope of work that you created. All right, we'll say looks good, add tasks to work order. Now you can always remove tasks if you don't think they're applicable or create new ones to add to the list. Next is where you're setting when you want the job to start. You can either put in a specific date and time, or you can put in a range. Payment is where you're indicating how much you want to pay for the job. You can set the work order to pay fixed, per hour, blended, or per device. We also have pricing insights, which is going to take a look at the location, what type of work it is, and recommend a pay range for the technician for that job. In our example here, we're just going to put a fixed rate of $450. The last screen is the marketplace of technicians. All you're going to do here is simply scroll down to the bottom, select Publish to Marketplace, and that's it. Your work order is now published on the marketplace for technicians to review and apply to. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.